This episode of NorCal Refrigeration and HVAC is brought to you by Top Charming. Link in description. Remote. The thermostat energizes the solenoid. I click. But I'm up here to check there's the solenoid valve up here on top of the box, and it is energized. Now we're going to go out to the condensing unit. So that's energized. You just feel if it's magnetic. So let's go and check the condensing unit. This is the condensing unit for the freezer. See, it says freezer. And the disconnect port's that little one over there. I'll move that piece of PVC out of the way and we'll check for voltage right from the start. See what's going on here. All right, this one's 3-phase. And I got the disco on. So I just like to go leg to leg on the 3-phase. So it's 209 there. And then I'll go leg to leg over here. 209 over there. Then I'll go leg to leg right here. 209 there. So we're all good on the 3-phase. So, solenoid's energized, we got power. Let's see if there's the next step, see if there's gas in this thing and all that fun stuff. And our contactor and our pressure switch and whatnot. I'll get this cover off. We can check that next. All right, I got the cover off, and here's what I'm noticing. Right here, the contactor looks like it's pulled in, it's all burned up, right? Nothing's running. So we'll check voltage across the top and then across the bottom. We should have it on the top. I have no idea if it's coming out across the bottom. The first two right here. Zippo. Okay, there's the contactor. Changed it out. Got the new contactor going. I gotta get a poppet bushing over here. This is kind of shitty. There's a fan cycle switch for the second condenser fan motor. I'll just bump that over right here, check it. And then now we can run some checks on this system here. Tidy it up, I mean, the poppet bushing in there so they're not changing. There's no flex on those motor wires. I know OC Refrigeration always talks about that, that plastic wire wrap stuff. The guy's a genius. That'd work out really good right here, but I don't have any, so I just got some tie wraps on there. Just trying to keep it from chafing on anything. It's going to have the enclosed cover on there, so that's what it's going to be for this, but that plastic wire stuff would have been genius right here. You know, the stuff that's split, you can just coil it on there. If you go to OC Refrigeration YouTube channel, check him out. He talks about that. Would have been perfect right here. Perfect situation for it. Okay. Cover back on that sucker. Oh, look where the sight glass is hiding over here. It's nice and clear. We'll go inside and check the unit, see how she's doing. Real dirty, rotten contactor. Masterbuilt. Alright. Good and chilly in there. Looks like Operation Success, Marcus. Goofy guy up to. Let's see. Cardboard recycler. Oh, that's the one I want right there. No, I'm not building a house, and I don't live under a bridge. I'm going to show you guys, you can do a quick check on your fan cycle switch. So we know that that's our main fan. It's on the left. The right fan runs off the fan cycling controller. Let's go ahead and block off half of that condenser. We'll get the head pressure to come up. And check our fan cycle switch. I manually bumped it with my finger to make it run. Let's see if we'll get the head pressure up and keep it on there. A little quick check on the way out. So I blocked off the condenser for the head pressure to come up to make sure the switch worked. See that the coil blocked off with the cardboard. So then the head pressure drops down, that fan will cycle off. Okay, why didn't I gauge up on it? Great question. Okay, I get on these old ones like this. You see how rusted out everything is? If I don't have a feeling that it's critical to get the gauges on there and check, sometimes I'll just end up destroying stuff trying to run a check. And this guy didn't want to spend a lot of money today. So it's kind of a roll of the dice. I know the sight glass is clear. I know the box is clearly good. The contactor was my main issue. And looking at that, we're right by the ocean. I didn't want to disturb that unless I had to. Odds are you probably get it all off and gauge up on it fine without messing something up. Today we didn't want to take that chance. Yes, it's all on me if it messes up. That guy right back there, behind the camera, that goofy son of a gun. Fan cycled off. Freezer's getting good and frozen. So we had on this one, little contactor action.